even remember this. So my hot friend here about to step in. My hot friend, wagwan, boy. So my hot friend just step in and tell on about. You don't want to see him? Wagwan. I know you the man that heal me. Wagwan. See how you say to me, but
no, no man, you know? Be a champion, man.
Yeah, man.
Do the maths.
Be a champion.
Maths.
Hey, Sandy from Switzerland. Hi, boom. Mwah. You don't want to say hi to my friends, then?
You don't look appropriate.
You don't mean like you don't look appropriate?
No,
look how you're hot, your hotness, your hot boy.
I have to have my turban.
You see my boy, I'm over in turban. I say CULU CULU in the building. Say hi, everyone. Y'all come wine pan the CULU CULU.
What that day you do the sun? Na.
My hot friend Savage, what y'all, everybody asks for shall gully flop them. I said them say I'm here, y'all party, see it? I'm here, CULU CULU park, CULU CULU boss a party, you know.
Yeah, man.
The hottest thing, is it? Oh. I said mother body, the party weed out boy, mother body's driver. Man, how that thing, where that get pick? Where you go to, you know? Oh. The killy them get full, you know, then cut off the wire, you know. After Savage just like a kill them, you know.
And from just voice a tune, you know. Man, them done the wire,
Savage
you know.
to the world. Really?
CULU just do a song for them and them done the wire. What kind of style?
What's why you say? Somebody say, who that blood clot, who that teacher son?
What that there?
What that CULU CULU boss?
Boss himself, man.
That CULU CULU boss. Bleaching, reaching, the clean skin. At beer things, for beer things. So those two I'm from to take a one. Yeah? So I want one dog meat on, you know what I mean? I take him as a dog meat, you see it?